Presenting the Kia 2020 Niro LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.